Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Prizepicks Withdrawal not working. Let's begin. So it says here, why did my withdrawal request fail? Prizepicks has a one-time playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all deposited funds once before withdrawing them. For example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. Lineups must be submitted using credit funds, not promo funds, in order to count toward your playthrough requirement. Inaccurate bank account information can also cause withdrawal requests to fail. If this happens, your funds will be returned to your credit funds balance, and you will be able to create a new withdrawal. Withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. Apple Pay and credit cards may only be used for deposits, not withdrawals. Withdrawals have a minimum amount of $10. Any small request will fail. If your withdrawal request is processed at 2 p.m., you will not be able to make another request until 1 minute past 2 p.m. the following day. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.